आज बोल आले येऊ ना मासे रस्त्याचे कोण लावलेला म्हणजे येऊ ना मासे
मीठ कॉम्प्लेक्शन ना मासा
बोंड असतात
हां मास आयल्या तुम्ही चालू करतले
पण ह्याच्याने चालू करतो ह्याच्यावर त्या माझी तिथे रस्त्याचे लग्न लावताय ना ते आमच्यामध्ये ट्राफिक वाढतात लोकांनी केलेलं आहे म्हणून की आम्ही बरोबर खरेदी नाही.
It adds to the pressure of the people to have their desired dishes at the festival time. And there is a much hardship caused to the people who consume beef, especially the lower classes who consume beef a lot. Of course, the 5-star villas also want beef. But then closing the shop is not the answer. The government must provide adequate security to those people so that they can run their business. They are running a legitimate business with all valid licenses from the government, and they are paying the license fees and that, and allowing a few goons to come and invade their shops is absolutely against the law. The law must be enforced with full strength by the government, because the government must protect them at this stage, and they themselves must also have a force to protect themselves, a security for themselves. Otherwise, this is going to be causing hardship to everybody. All around there will be hardship. And then a few handful of people are going to take the law into their own hands and prevent people from consuming what they want to consume. All over the world, beef is the staple food.